Hello, and welcome to another update video on XRP. Yeah, on the XRP chart, I remain focused on two bullish scenarios here. In both of these scenarios, the thesis for now is that a fourth wave has bottomed on the 7th of April. As you know, probably if you watched previous updates, it's still technically possible we get a larger degree wave 4. And that the wave 4 never bottomed on the 7th of April. However, that would require a break below several support levels. And yeah, there would be quite a lot of work required at this point to confirm that a larger correction is unfolding and we are breaking below certain support levels. And form another low in the region between $1.55 to, I would say, $1.21. So for now, both of these wave structures that you see on the chart, both of these scenarios, orange and blue, are bullish and suggest higher prices. But the main question at the moment is how deep are the pullbacks going to be that might be around the corner? Because so far we haven't really seen any pullbacks, at least not since the rally that started on the 6th of May. Now in the blue scenario here, we have a potential 5-wave move up complete. And this is here a scenario in which we can say we have a wave 1 done, wave 2 done, that was the higher low on the 9th of April, third wave done, fourth wave done, fifth wave possibly done, yeah? And if now a deep pullback unfolds, then the market must hold the area between $1.79 and $2.06. Yeah, at least the $1.79 level should not be broken, because if we get a decisive break below this key level down here, then likely a new low will come. Okay, that's typically a level where probabilities are starting to shift, like in this case, from an uptrend to a downtrend, and probabilities will increase that the bears are taking the lead. Okay, now, however, there is not even a guarantee we get this deep pullback, so it's the price is even struggling to move towards the upper support area. So that takes us to the orange scenario, in which we have just a larger diagonal pattern that's unfolding. And to be honest, what's happening up here isn't very clear. So the idea was that maybe some kind of a C-wave pullback started in this orange count, and that would be 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially in this case, the market might test the support area, upper support, nano support, micro support, we can call it, between $2.15 and $2.32. So here the bottom line or the main takeaway is that as long as we are holding the $2.15 level, the 78.6 retracement of our upper support area, there is no evidence that the blue wave 2 has started. So we'll have to see how now the structure of the pullback is unfolding. For now, I don't even have strong evidence that not even that the third wave down has started. So we'll just need a little bit more downside momentum to confirm that. Market doesn't really want to come down. So yeah, so at the moment, there isn't really anything actionable, I would say. Yeah, there isn't really anything actionable. But if this orange count is indeed correct, and it is a low confidence wave count, yeah, then we should see very, very shortly an increase in downside momentum. So if that happens, then we can be a bit more confident about this orange count, because it would indicate that we're in an internal third wave. And then we can still get another 4 and a fifth wave down of C, of B. So yeah, that being said, the orange count is valid as long as the Wednesday high is not broken to the upside, and that is at $2.65. Any break above it will shift the focus to the next upside Fibonacci level around $2.91. But yeah, so far, nothing super actionable. If the market dips into this support area, then we can watch for a reaction and potentially a start of the C wave up. That's the update on XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.